Hey guys, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. So I went to upload a video this morning that I had already filmed yesterday and spent all night editing, and for whatever reason the intro was frozen. So I splashed on my makeup real quick. Sorry, my hair looks a hot mess, but I wanted to hurry up and get an intro recorded real quick so I could put it on there and hurry up and get this video uploaded, because like you'll see at the end of the video I want to upload every Thursday and every Sunday. And I'm doing a look with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this palette is a lot of fun to work with. I don't usually work with colors, so it's been a challenge. I'm loving it. If you don't have it yet, I highly recommend getting it. And if you want to see what I'm wearing today, just let me know and I'll put it in the comments. And let's go ahead and get into the video. For the foundation I'm using, it's supposed to dry down matte, and so since I have dry skin, I'm going to go ahead and use the Proactive Nourishing Hangover Replenishing Face Primer from bhcosmetics. Alright, for the foundation, I'm going in with the Super Stay Full Coverage from Maybelline up to 24 hours. And I got the shade Natural Ivory. And I did try this yesterday, and I will say that I really liked it. It is full coverage. It didn't dry down too bad. Like, it felt really good on my skin. And I used it with this primer, and I did moisturize before. It was really easy to blend out. The shade was a pretty good match, and it lasted all day. It didn't crease up or break up or any of that bad stuff. I really liked it. Alright, for concealer, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous, and I'm going in, I'm blind, going in with a light. I use that to highlight under my eyes, go ahead and prime my lids, and to highlight the forehead, the nose, and the chin. And I took my Morphe Y6 brush for the foundation. I'm going to use that for the concealer as well. Alright, to set everything, I'm going in with the Cover FX Translucent Powder and Light. I hope that wasn't upside down. And I'm just going in with this Morphe brush. I got it from a set, so I can't tell you the name of it. And I'm pressing that down into my skin. Alright, for bronzer, I'm going in with my Gourmand Girls Bronzer. And I'm taking a Morphe N401 brush and just swirling that around. Alright, to contour, I'm going in with my Kat Von D Shade Light palette, and I'm going in with that Cool Tone contour shade right there. For blush, I'm going in with the LA Girl Just Blushing in Just Barely, or Just Bare. And I'm just going in with the Ulta blush brush. Alright, I was so excited yesterday whenever I filmed to show y'all these. If you're following me on Instagram or I have you on Facebook, then you've already seen the swatches, but my birthday is Sunday and my husband went ahead and gave me my birthday presents, and he got me 2 highlight palettes from Lime Crime, the unicorns and the fairies, and I was so excited. I wore that yellow shade yesterday and it was so pretty. It was so pretty. So today I'm gonna use this other one, the unicorn one, and I want to go on with that pinkish purplish shade right there. This is the first time, or these are my first products from Lime Crime, and it's so funny because the day that he gave it to me Sunday, I was actually looking and I was like, I need some stuff from Lime Crime. So I'm glad I didn't order anything because he hooked me up. Take me back to Brazil. We are going to go in with that light blue shade for transition shade. I have no idea where I'm going with this, what I'm doing. So stay on board. I'm going to go in with that tealish type color and add that to the crease as well. Alright, now I'm taking that little bit of a darker blue and going in with a skinny brush, like a skinny pencil brush, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner. I'm going to get a fluffy brush and kind of blend that out a little bit. I'll go back in with that skinny brush. And I'm going to go a little bit darker with that blue right there. If y'all can hear the TV going from in the living room, I'm sorry. My 6-year-old's in there watching TV. Alright, now I'm just going to blend that out. Really good right there. Alright, now I'm going to get a really dense like packing brush. I'll show you what mine looks like. I got it from a Tarte set from around Christmas. And I'm going to go in with that really pastel looking green color, and I'm going to pack that on my lid. That's really pretty color, y'all. I'm going to blend that out. And I'm going to go in with that like white shade right there, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Alright, now I'm just going to blend that. Alright, for eyeliner, I'm going in with my NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On waterproof eyeliner. And I'm going in with white. I'm going to get that light blue color. And just kind of smudge that underneath right here. Alright, now I'm going to do my brows off camera with my Total Temptations Brow Definer from Maybelline in Soft Brown, and I'll be right back. Alright, now for mascara, I'm going in with the MAC Hot and Naughty 2 Black Lash, and I actually got this from my aunt. She got it for me and I absolutely love it. Alright, for my lips, I'm going in with the Buxom Pull-On Lip Cream, and I'm going in with Dolly. Okay, to set everything, I'm going in with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Alright, this is the final look. Really like the way everything came together. Like, I'm really loving this eye look. Getting this palette has really made me step out of my comfort zone because I usually don't use a lot of colors. So that was a lot of fun. I really like this look. I will be creating more looks over the summer with it. It was a lot of fun. And don't think I have any announcements. Other than I am going to start trying to upload my videos on Thursday and Sundays. I can't say exactly what time because you never know with having 2 kids what life's going to throw at you that day. But at some time that day I will be uploading my videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next time. Bye.